So we are back, we're jumping straight back in here. On the last video I was going to get this bit done off camera, but it's part of this bit here I'm doing, so I'm going to have to cut this right out here, make the template up, and then cut the metal out and shape all this bit. I want to get this bit past here, shape all this little groove in here, just past here, so then I can just carry on afterwards and just get that last section in there. Like I say, that's what we've done in the last video. All that bit around there, smoothed all this off. And also this bit here has got to go in there. As you can see, that was in there originally. Like so. It is a little bit different in shape because I think that's because of the 16 valve bit and the 8 valve panel slightly curves different, but it doesn't matter too much. I mean, that's going to have to be modified. That's all rotten anyway. I really can't tell a lot of it, but that's got to come up a bit more. And this side here, it's got a bit of a gap there, but I know this bit's got to come up more on this side anyway. So I mean, we've got a lot to play with here. I think it's still quite solid on this top bit, so we'll just replace all them bits down the side there, get all that shape on both sides, and then tidy up these bits that need doing. But I think we're going to keep hold of that, because like I say, I can't find one, and every time I try and find one, I just can't get one. So anyway, we'll worry about that another time. I don't think we're going to quick on with that bit soon. I think we're going to leave that, get this all welded up first, get all this whole side finished off, and then worry about that last. But I really want to go over to the other side and start really getting this done, cut out what I need to cut out of this floor and rebuild that corner, and we'll go from there really. I think that's the best plan. So let's crack on, start getting this bit all marked up and cut out, ready to weld it all in with a new panel. Right, let's go. So fast forward, I've got all this cleaned up here and cut out, and I've also done this bit off camera because it's just a bit too fiddly to get all them little bends in and get that to sit in there like that. So I thought I'd just crack on with it and just get that bit done. As you can see there, that'll be, get that bit to sit in there. There you go. So that's sitting there. I'll weld all this in, tack it in place, and then start sort of doing more of this bit here when I come across over this way a bit more, but we'll get that bit in as well, cut some more that way and tuck that in. So yeah, it should look all good. And then we can come down, just carry on and cutting this last bit out and getting this other bit in and get this floor to come up a bit more. But yeah, we're getting there. So we'll just get this tacked in now and then start welding it up. Right, let's carry on. So there you go, really impressed with this. It's come out really well. So I've got this little panel in here I made up, got all this shape here, that's nice and flat. So I'm just going to get this bit done now, cut all this bit out, look nice and tidy in there. So as you put this bit on here, I understand you before this bit is this is wrong, this bit. As you see on the other side, you can see it there, that bit is a lot wider, and that's the reason why it doesn't fit in this gap, but because that's the 8 valve one. But it doesn't really matter, as long as I get this completely straight on here for the seat. It doesn't matter how the brackets are made up at the bottom. I mean, I can modify that, how we go. This one's got to come up a little bit this end. I've got it sort of almost there, it's just got to come up a little bit more. I might have to put a cut down here, just to nip that bit closer together, to bring that up a bit more. So yeah, that's all measured up here, so this all lines up as well with the measurements on the other side, so I know it's spot on. So yeah, what we do now is then we'll just cut this bit off, put a new bit in here. That should be straightforward instead of that one, because that was a bit tricky getting this shape here and getting that bit there in there. So let's crack on, let's get some all done, let's go. So I've started making this panel here, as you can see, which is there. Where the other one is, I don't know. It's gone. Oh, there you go. That's here. So I've took that one out, and obviously I'm going to put a new bit in. But I think what I'm going to do is going to cut that off there, weld this bit in first, and then do this bit last to get this a proper shape. So I've got to sort of bend this down further. As you can see, I've started doing that there. I think that's probably the best thing to do, is to try and get this completely right. So that's the plan. So what we'll do, cut this off and then start welding that in. Let's go. So I'm afraid that is the end of the video. Thanks for coming back once again. I've had to stop it there because I've gone away next weekend. I'm not going to get a chance to get this one out, so I thought I'd get this out now so you could all see it. Thanks for comments, like and subscribe. If you haven't already, get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.